morning, student. How are you today?
I am fit.
Okay, right. Before we start the lesson, let we have a pray for God. Dea, have you Dea? Yeah, Dea, please let your class to pray for God before we start the lesson.
Okay, class. Before we start the let me play a comment for begin.
Yeah, have you ready to join this class? Yeah. Do you have breakfast this morning, Majida Putri?
I am ready, ma'am. Yes, I do. I have bring fish this morning.
Okay, thank you. Right. Yeah. Okay, class. I check your attendance list. Yeah. For this morning. Who absent today? Okay, who absent today? Tidak ada yang alpa hari ini. Okay, right. Now, before we start our lesson, let's we look at our classroom rules. Before because in joining virtual learning, we have know the classroom rules. And then we will have the ice breaking. I want you follow me, and then you listen to, our ice breaking. Let's we sing together, right? Are you ready, student? Sudah siap?
Ready.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just fine. Give you some video related to our material today.
There are some nouns which are called uncountable. They never want a nest, even when there's more than one. Learn them by heart, and you will sound correct. Remember that they're tricky, so please don't get upset. Liquids, powders, massive things like water, sand, or grain. Information, news, advice, and feelings like disdain. States of being like sleep, logic, chaos, pain. Phenomena like sunshine, snow, and rain.
This is the learning purpose of our material. Sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Sudah terlihat? Okay, thank you. So, this is the learning purpose of our material is the words to identify, to apply, and to find the tail of the social function generic structure language feeder in interaction transactional text that involve to asking and giving information about the existence of people, things, and animals with the using context there are an uncountable noun. What kinds of picture do you see? What kinds of picture do you see? Who wants to answer number one, please? Yeah.
It is about food.
Okay, thank you. Example of uncountable noun, based on the picture. Two there, Can you answer number two there?
Coconut oil.
Right, next. Number four, how much coconut oil do you see in the picture?
A pack of coconut oil.
Okay, thank you. Before we do our worksheet or activity, I will divide it you to do the task in a group and individually, right? So for activity 1, yeah, you will do the worksheet in group, and then for activity 2 and 3, yeah, you will do the task in individually, and then for activity 4, yeah, you will do the uh, worksheet or task in group, right? Yeah. Next, yeah, we move to the question, yeah, for activity 1, yeah. Activity 1, who wants to answer number 1? What is the differentiate between there is and there are?
There is U for singular, it only for one object, item, or thing, and with use of a.
Yeah, okay. Activity 2 in here, yeah, you classify the following nouns into countable or uncountable noun incorrectly, yeah. Yeah, Majida Putri, your answer please. Number 1, what is your answer, Majida Putri?
Countable.
Yeah, uncountable. Thank you. Activity 3, yeah. In here, I ask you to complete the following sentence, yeah, with appropriate much, little, some, or any, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready. Ready.
Yeah, who wants to answer number 1?
Much.
Yeah. Number 2, there is only, yeah, blah, 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 water left in his bottle. Chocolate, eh? Much or little? Okay, thank you, little. Next. Do you want blah 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 ice cream in your coffee? Some or any?
Any.
Okay, and thank you. Next, number 5. I had blah 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 salt in my kitchen. Much or little?
Much. Much.
Okay, thank you. I don't like, yeah, blah blah blah, a kinds of chocolate. Some or any?
Any.
Okay, any. Thank you. Activity 4, right? Yeah. In here, yeah, look at the picture, yeah, and create a simple dialogue, right? Yeah, look at the picture and create a simple dialogue asking information, yeah, about there is, there are, and uncountable noun, yeah. Then perform it in a group into the class. So in here, please you make a short dialogue or conversation by using the picture, yeah, related to, yeah, there is, there are, and uncountable noun. Of course, in here you can use the using of much, and then little, some, or any, yeah. In here I have divided you into a group, right? So yeah, group 1, yeah. For activity 4, yeah, please write your answer, yeah, on the your notebook, ya, ditulis dulu di buku catatannya, ya, and then you will perform it in front of the class, right? Dialogue 1.
What do you need in your coffee?
Okay, thank you. Next.
I need some sugar.
Okay, next. Who will be the next?
Do you like any milk in your coffee?
Okay, next. Yeah, for the much, little, some, and any, yeah. As you know that much, yeah, we use much into uncountable noun, ya, it means banyak. Jadi much itu kita gunakan pada uncountable noun yang artinya banyak, and then little, ya, we use into uncountable noun, ya, it means sedikit, ya, very small. And then some, ya, we use into uncountable noun but into positive sentence, and then any, yeah, we use into countable nouns in the interrogative and negative sentence, yeah, like in activity 3, right, ya, seperti yang ada di activity 3 tadi kita sudah kerjakan, ya. Okay, we will have today reflection, right, ya, kita pindah pada refleksi. I give you some question, ya, kita kasih beberapa pertanyaan, ya. Mutiara, ya, Mutiara, ya, Mutiara. Okay, Mutiara, ya, what do you think, ya? What do you have to learn this material? Kira-kira Mutiara, ya, yang sudah didapatkan dalam mempelajari materi ini. Your answer, please.
There are uncountable noun, much, little, some, and any.
Next, who wants to answer the number 4, the last, yang terakhir. What is your obstacle in understanding the material? Ya. Kira-kira kesulitan apa yang kalian hadapi dalam mempelajari materi tadi atau pembelajaran hari ini? Your answer, please. Who wants to answer number 4? Yang ingin menjawab nomor 4, silakan. Ya, it is Soleha. Your answer, please. Your answer, please. It is Soleha.
Vocabulary and pronunciation.
Okay, thank you. So you have a vocabulary, yeah, and pronunciation in understanding in this material, yeah. And then for our next lesson, yeah, we will study about the invitation. Jadi pertemuan berikut kita akan mempelajari tentang invitation atau undangan. Next, ya, please, ya, you find out the information about the invitation. You can find into internet or another. You can find into the television or magazine or internet, the kinds of invitation. So any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan yang berhubungan dengan materi tadi? No more question. Okay, right, ya. Is it clear for you? Sudah jelas pelajaran kita hari ini?
Sudah.
Okay, thank you. Please let, ya, this class to pray, ya, before we close the lesson. Ya, silakan ditutup pelajarannya, ya, berdoa dulu sebelum kita menutup pelajaran, ya. Mutiara, please let your class, ya, to pray before we close the lesson.
Okay, class. Before we close the lesson today, let's we pray a moment for God. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, ya. Okay, class, ya. I think the time is up, ya. Thank you very much for your joining in this class, and see you next meeting. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Bye.